Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Matema Thosago. I'm the founder and director of Sejala Enterprise, which was established in 2017 of August. And we are located in Zumbani, which is via N11 at Maroshi building. And we are also in Kurmani, corner 21 corner Sterkvart and Church in Kurmani. My stories actually started with a simple mission. So I saw waste in my community. Then what I wanted is to create an environmental and economic change, because I'm an environmental management practitioner by profession. So, and I also wanted to make an impact in my community and minimize unemployment and this waste going to the landfills. So what we are doing, we are training unemployed individuals or professionals to collect, sort, recycle, and even to create this beautiful upcycled product that you see with me right now. And these products, we've got the school bags, we've got the pencil cases, we also have cosmetic bags that you can use. We also have the drinking glasses that were transformed from what you call waste. So that's what I'm saying, waste is waste until you waste it. Our products are available through national. We can be able to courier the products if you want them wherever in South Africa. And we also have an app that is connecting the resident businesses with the waste collectors. So the app that we have, it's connecting. If you really want waste to be collected in your household, you can be able to register on the app. Either you can be a resident or you can be a business owner. You register on the app, then we can be able to allocate you the waste collector. Even if you are waste collecting, you have to register on the app so that we can be able to know the waste collector that we have in that area. So we're making the waste collection services very easier and effective without waste of time. So we also have the packages, like we have weekly waste collection services, which is only 200 rand, and you can also go for the bi-weekly waste collection services, which is only 120. Then we collect your waste on a weekly basis. The name of our app is the Waste Link. So by choosing our products, what makes our products very unique or for people to buy them, it's for people who are very conscious about the environment. So when you buy our products, you will be playing a part of cleaning our environment, even our planet. So we're making a difference. So you can get in touch with us on social media. On Facebook, we are Domestic Waste Program. On Instagram, we are Sejala_ENT. Then on Twitter, we are Sejala Tau. Then, yes, we're also on TikTok as Sister Boss. Matema Thosago. I'm a township entrepreneur.